Un camarade, écoute ça extrait de l'Assemblée, là, aujourd'hui. Écoute ça jusqu'à la fin, moi, je donne mon opinion après.
He wrote to the contractor to say, you are reminded that the contract for construction of high-security prisons at Melrose specify that laying of fiber optic cables and other cables in underground conduit should be laid in well-secured installation to prevent rodents from entering any conduit and manholes to cause damage to the cables. Just after the commissioning of the system in October 2013, cameras started not displaying images, and to date it is continuously faulty. We are not satisfied with your service or maintenance, and the matter has been referred to State Law Office for advice. So this has been the situation. And the problem today is we can't get out of this. If I was going to use maybe an unparliamentary word to qualify this kind of contract which the Labour PMSD government has engaged government into.
I just heard the Honourable Prime Minister say something which, I'm puzzled because I'm a lawyer and I don't know from which law in the land when someone breaches a contract, does not perform, government is obliged to go and keep this. So I don't know what the kind of law, but certainly under the law that I studied in Mauritius, if a contractor is not observing his part of the deal, we can rescind the contract and appoint a new contractor.
Well, throughout, we have sought advice from the State Law Office, and they have advised. I have just replied in the answer I have given, that if the contract is rescinded, government is liable to pay damages eventually should the contractor decide to sue government. So if we do one thing, then the opposition will say, well, you have rescinded the contract. Now you're going to pay damages, heavy damages, and then it comes from public funds. So we need to know, and we need to be guided by legal advice. I am a lawyer, yes, just like you, but I'm not the one who is advising government. I don't take decisions on my own. I send to be advised by our legal advisor, the State Law Office.
Comment entendez là? Alors, he's a lawyer. Okay? He's the Prime Minister. Someone even dire, he's not the one who is advising the government. He va prendre décision on his own. You're the Prime Minister, you're paid for that. You're paid to make decisions. That's your job. Really? Comment quand il y a canette dans eux, vous êtes, d'abord, il commence à lui dire ça contrat là, ce contrat ancien gouvernement. Bon, nous quand même d'accord, qu'il y a un contrat là, quand même pas si bon, hein, nous trouve ça avec le contrat du fameux bateau pétrolier là, qui est vraiment parti d'accord moi-même. Mais, là, les Indiens, pas les qui advise government, but you're the government! Come on! Mais qu'est-ce qu'on n'entend pas de nos jours, vous êtes, en tout cas, si pas capable de prendre ça travail là, resign. Laissez les autres du monde qui est plus compétent faire travail là, vous êtes. Pas bien dire, parce que là, he's just saying, il n'est pas capable de prendre une décision, but it's your job, as the Prime Minister, to take those decisions. Tu travailles ça maintenant, tu fais un gros casque pour ça. What's wrong with these people? Damn.